Working with API testing and have PAW documents for HTTP requests, these contain saved API workflows for the PAW API client. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these PAW Cloud document files. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single robust PAW file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. A user with a PAW file is typically a software developer or API tester. This file contains a complete API request collection, including endpoints, headers, authentication, and environments, created by the PAW, now RapidAPI, client for macOS. It allows teams to share and collaborate on API testing projects. The PAW format is a proprietary structured file, likely using a JSON or a similar key-value-based system, often compressed into a single package. This design encapsulates all aspects of an API project: requests, environments, and code generation settings, making it a self-contained portable unit for developers. When viewing the file metadata, the PAW shows a direct link to RapidAPI, formerly PAW, from RapidAPI. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows can reveal the source, but running the script requires the correct command line environment. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the PAW file and select Open With. Test RapidAPI, formerly PAW, if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the PAW format uniquely. If your PAW file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The failure means we need to check the fundamentals. Let's perform these 3 essential system and file checks immediately. First, opening in PAW's RapidAPI. Launch PAW on macOS or its successor RapidAPI for Mac and use File then Open to load the PAW document. The application displays all saved requests organized in groups, allowing you to send requests, view responses, and modify parameters. The full request workflow, including authentication and dynamic values, activates upon loading. Next, importing to Postman. For users without Mac access, export PAW collections to Postman-compatible format using PAW's export feature. Open the PAW file on a Mac with PAW installed, then use File, then Export to choose Postman collection format. The exported JSON imports into Postman on any platform for cross-platform API testing workflows. Finally, cloud synchronization. Use PAW Cloud features to share PAW documents across devices and team members. Cloud Sync enables collaborative API testing with team members accessing the same request collections. Configure Cloud Sync through PAW preferences, linking your account to access PAW documents from multiple Macs in development workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.